interruption because of this.
Yeah, it is there. No, see,
So what exactly?
no, we are trying to make, see, wherever there is problem or something,
English, sir. English.
we will try to put underground cable line, because what is happening, it is not a single plant. In Saloli, underground cable to the dedicatedly 33 kVA station has been taken. On a similar line, we will work out a mechanism to take directly from the substation to the PWD station for water supply. What happens, even if it goes for 5 seconds or 10 seconds, the entire disruption happens and the mechanism comes to a standstill. This I was aware when the PWD, when I was the power minister, so we were trying to improvise. And we had formulated tenders that time to help the PWD. Now I become PWD minister, so I will take it up and we will see dedicated feeders for us in water supply. Dedicated feeders, underground feeder from the substation which is close by, and make it underground, because overhead Goa there is a lot of almost 60% tree growth. So you have a lot of disturbances on the overhead line. So that's why the water gets affected. It is not because there is no power. It is because the disturbance in the overhead line. So we'll work out a mechanism over a period of time and put underground cable in wherever required in dedicated.
मांडवी पुलाचे अजूनही फुल काम चालू जावना. अटल सेतूचे जे आसा ते थोडे काम अजूनही उरलेले आसा ते केन्ना मेरेन?
अटल सेतू जो आसा हो आमचो ब्रिज म्हणजे PWDचो न्ही, तो GSRCन बांदला. परतून सांगता तुमकां पयलीं सांगलें. आतां तेजो इश्यू हांवें पयला प्रेसा भितर येता. तितू भितर ज्यो गोश्टी जाता पळय, दामोर भावान वयता पळय, मद्रासाक दिल्ले आसा. सो ते भशेन ते रिपोर्ट दितरी पळय आमी टॅक्निकल एक्सपर्टीज दिवपा जाल्यार तेका दिता म्हणून GSRC. जे पर्यंत डिफेक्ट लालेडी पिरियड जायना ते पर्यंत आमी टेक ओवर करूं शकता.
काम चांगली जालें म्हणटात तो पयलीं.
डिफेक्ट लालेडी पिरियड